Alright, welcome to Marketheads. I'm your host, John Latta, and we're just talking about some stocks, and today we're talking about HDBX. Now, this one recently spiked, but here's the thing. Here, I'm going to talk about some things about what not to do. HTBX, even though it did spike, I'm very sketchy on this one because HTBX is a pharmaceutical company. So anytime you have a pharmaceutical company, there's always FDA approval and things like that that could just halt the stock anytime. So even though you have this great run up right here and the thing's just running for days and ever, I mean, all it takes is like FDA approval to come in and just halt the stock and look at it. Like you get nothing and then you get like an FDA approval or it's like in the first stages and you get this little bounce. And I don't really like playing pharmaceutical companies that are very sketchy when all it takes is the FDA to come in and stop something in the second or third stage and like I would not hold this overnight. Like I would hold this maybe a day, maybe into this spike if it was a breakout, if I would have bought it just like right here on this breakout somewhere, right? Maybe right here would have been a good time to buy, right when it broke past that. But it was too late. But just overall, people ask me about holding overnight. I don't like holding these kind of stocks overnight. If I'll trade them, I'll just trade them into a momentum play. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I do not like holding stocks like this or anything with the FDA. Anytime the FDA is involved, I'm always very sketchy. They really make potential shorts. And if you get something that's shorted or a FDA hold, it makes for a good short. If you get an FDA hold, you can short it and you can usually get like a gap down. And that's usually what happens. And a lot of people do look for shorts on FDA approval drugs. But for me, I don't know. I'm not really into it. But that's for that one. Next stock we're going to look at is PRKR. And this is another one that had a good runner right here. I mean, this thing really spiked. If we go to the, what was it, intraday, I think it was the daily, you get this spike way back here. But I don't know, what was this manipulation? Why was this way back here in the day? I don't know. I have to research it some more. And you get this tiny spike and then you get this big gap down. So this one's a little sketchy to me. I mean, your year to date, what, you get this one spike right here that's probably just manipulation. It's probably manipulation. Usually and see these stocks that get manipulated over and over and over again, and they make great shorts. Another one I was going to talk about, HELI. This is another pharmaceutical play, and this is just pure manipulation right here for it to spike like that from oh, excuse me, sorry. No, this wasn't manipulation play. This was the one that went from 6.2 to 7.2, went up 100%. It was like really good. Would I buy it? Probably not. Good hindsight. I don't know. I mean, sometimes you can't. Sometimes the best move is not to make a trade. You don't need to always be trading. And, life gets in the way, and I missed a lot of these trades yesterday. So, this is just looking back in hindsight. I probably wouldn't have really made a bunch of plays even if I would have been at my computer trading. So, I mean, this is just a good tutorial video. If you guys have any ideas, any questions, any comments, any concerns, you just want to ask a question, you have an idea for a video or anything you want to know, send me an email. You can send us on marketheads.com, leave comments on the YouTube channel, anything you think of. But, this is me, John Latta. Just send us an email, let us know what you think. See ya.